Hi everybody, this is Kevin from Texas Yard Man and More, and I'm doing a simple video on a problem fix for your garden hose. And I was just showing you what I've got here with my hose. Is you can see that it's got a split here from coming out the side here. I've got water coming, and basically it depressurizes the water that's coming out of the hose. You can still use it, it just has that water leak. So I'm going to show you how to fix it. I go ahead and just turn off the water, and I've got a coupler here that I bought for it, and I'm just going to turn the camera around here so I can show you. And here we are. So you can see that, and see if I can get a better view here. And basically you have a coupler here that is going to help for this, and you just simply take some type of a cutter and you want to cut off the hose right below that slit wherever it's leaking from. And I have some tin snips here that work wonderful. And then basically you've got your hose here, and you're going to take this piece, that's your coupler, take that part out, and you're going to put it in here. And you want to make sure you get the right size. You just push it down, and I probably should have done that after I loosened these up. So basically inside of there you just have some Phillips screw heads, and you want to loosen this collar up so it can move up and down. And then we'll go ahead and put this piece on. I guess it didn't matter, but basically I'm going to have to take these all the way off. So you just take the screw out. And you're just going to take these apart, and you're going to put one part underneath like so, and you put the other piece on top of that. And then you're going to put your screws back in. And I've got two screwdrivers here to choose from. I'll use the longer shank to get it started. And we'll go back to the smaller one. Gives me a little bit better torque to tighten this down. And you want to get it nice and snug, both screws. And you want to kind of rotate back and forth. There, these are tightened down nice and tight. This coupler is good, and we're going to go ahead and come back over here And there we go. No more leaks. So I think that little coupler cost maybe 10 bucks. They used to be really cheap, like before all the prices went up and everything. But now I'm able to use this hose again, and I'm able to screw a sprinkler on there and without worrying about losing any pressure or any water leaking. So that's all there is to it. You can pick those up at just about any hardware store. I think I've got mine at Lowe's. And if you like this video, please give me a like. And if you want to be notified of any other future videos, hit the notification bell in the upper right hand corner. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.